Now we're going to go to a different seed that's called Big Daddy Hybrids. We're going to start growing some tomato seeds in the seed starter that my dad got at Lowe's. And we've never used it before, but this year we're going to use it. Alright, so I just got done putting all these tomato seeds in. Now we're going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 28. Alright, now we're going to label them early girl tomatoes and the date. Alright, put it right here where all the tomatoes ends. And now we're going to go to a different seed that's called Big Daddy Hybrids. Look how small they are. Look at that. They call them Big Daddies, but they're actually tiny. See that right there? Mm-hmm. Any more? Where? I already got it. Okay.
Got all of them?
Think so.
Oh, look, there's some more in here.
Oh, there's 4 of them right here in my hand.
Oh, yeah. There's a bunch more in here. Got all of them?
Yes, sir.
So it almost filled up that tray. We got 3 more that
1,
didn't.
2, 3.
Alright, so let's make a steak for it. Alright, so we gotta make a steak for it so we can keep them separate. What are these named?
Big Daddy. So do I put a dot?
It don't matter, just put BG and the date.
Alright, all we have to do, well, we made 2 different varieties of tomatoes. And all we have to do is put the lid on bring it up to the house where it's warm and leave them in there for about 1 or 2 weeks, and then wait for them to sprout. Alright, we're gonna... Wait, what?